नीट एग्जाम में अच्छे रैंक लाने का प्रेशर अकेले स्टूडेंट्स पर ही क्यों? अकेले तो मेहनत करते नहीं हो, इसलिए वेदांतु इम्प्रूवमेंट प्रॉमिस।
अब वेदांतु नीट में रैंक बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा और गारंटी देगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस।
अब ये होती है ना गारंटी।
Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat shri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamba khani to all of you. Welcome guys, welcome to today's class, and this is your Prodigy series for ICSE 10th, and the topic for today is ratio and proportions. This is part 1. So today we are starting a new chapter, ratio and proportion, and in this we'll be studying about ratios, different types of ratios and composition of ratios. In the next class we'll be talking about proportions. All right, so we'll be doing this whole chapter, and the rules related to proportion we'll be doing it in the next class. All right, so guys, my name is Gopal Paliwal. I am a master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad, and I have been teaching from the past 5 years. So this is all about myself. I hope all of you are wonderful and ready for today's session. All right, so now before I start this class, I would like to tell all of you one thing, guys. Let that be consistent. This series which we are doing, Prodigy series, in this we will be covering all the chapters, all the topics which are there. As you can see, we have already finished say commercial mathematics unit, we have finished. Then we have finished your linear inequations. I have finished your quadratic equations. So this way we are now finishing algebra. After that we'll be finishing geometry. All the units one by one we will be finishing. So it is a very good opportunity for all of you to learn all the topics at once, and it should not be like you are not studying now and at the end when it's exam time, that time you are taking a lot of stress, which generally happens. So to avoid that stress, that exam time stress, it is very important that we do our hard work every day, small portion of hard work every day. If we start preparing from now, you don't feel say the pressure during the exam, because you have already learned everything, right? So this is in a way like you are studying with the strategy, you are studying with a schedule, proper schedule. You know, today I'll be studying this, tomorrow these are the classes I'm going to cover, today I have to revise all these things. So just follow this channel, whatever we are doing every day, the videos are coming related to your session. Just follow them, keep following them, whatever I'm teaching you, keep revising them, solve questions related to the topic which I have already covered from your books. Also start solving those questions. Any doubt you are getting, please use the comment section of this video. Suppose if you have a doubt in ratio and composition of ratios, this topic, in the comment section of this video ask your doubts, and if any else other student have also asked it, try to reply it. So let's make a great community, all right, who is helping each other, self-reliant, all right, self-dependent. Let's bring this community in together. Now again, I do know there are some limitations of YouTube where all is not possible. So for that I'll tell you about Vedantu's Pro Subscription also, which will be helping us to solve all the problems which we will be facing here. But like, it's a opportunity, this is a very good opportunity right now. Please follow this series religiously and practice all the questions according to the session. So this is also a scheduled way of study. All right, now let's move ahead with today's topic. So this is how we are going to cover this topic in 3 sessions. First will be ratio and composition of ratios. Second topic will be properties and properties of proportion, and the third topic will be direct applications, right? So these are the 3 topics that we are going to cover in these 3 topics we are going to complete this whole chapter. All right, now by the end of this session, yes, this is what question we will be able to solve. Right now you might think, sir, it looks very difficult, but trust me, easily if we'll follow the level of questions, if we'll follow increase the level of question in a strategic manner, this question also you'll be able to understand and you'll find it very easy. All right, okay, so let us start the class now, beta. The first thing, what is a ratio? So ratio is like is relating any two quantities, है ना. So A and B are two quantities of same kind in the same unit such that B is not equal to 0. Obviously denominator should not be equal to 0. Then the quotient A by B is called the ratio between A and B. Simple. So ratio, when I say ratio of A and B, it means A divided by B. Whenever I say ratio of A and B, it means ratio of A divided by B. Now one more thing guys, remember ratio does not have any unit. Suppose if I ask you ki find out the ratio of 3 meter to 5 meter. So you don't have to say 3:5 meters. Only 3:5 is enough. Because ratio does not have any unit. Meter to meter will get cancelled. So 3:5. Done. Alright. Then the quantities A and B are also called the terms of the ratio. Okay, they are the terms. The first quantity, that is the numerator, is called antecedent, and the second quantity, the denominator, is called consequent. Alright, and ratio must be expressed in the lowest form. That means suppose if you got a ratio as let's say 16 by 24. So you need to write it as 8 2s are 8 3s are. So 2:3 will be the final form, or the simplest form, or the lowest form. Okay, every time express the ratio in the lowest form. Okay, now increase or decrease in the ratio. Suppose if I tell you to increase a quantity in the ratio A is to B. Say if I'll tell you increase X in ratio A is to B, increase X in ratio A is to B. So I can say the new quantity. Alright, so the new quantity which we'll be getting, new quantity will be X multiplied with the ratio A is to B. Alright. ठीक है. Alright, sorry. No. Wait. If I say that increased X in the ratio A is to B, so let's say increased quantity. So I will say the ratio of X and the increased quantity. After that, the increased whatever value you are getting, let's say Y. Increased quantity. Let's say after increasing X, you will get Y. ठीक है. Let's say after increasing X, you will get Y. So ratio of X by Y should be equal to A by B. So what should we buy? Shift Y over there, A by B over here. So Y will be equal to B by A times of X. ठीक है? Alright. So better you remember this, that if I say increase X in the ratio of A to B, so you will say X by Y should be equal to A by B. Alright. ठीक है? Next question beta. So the next topic is composition of ratios. So what are the different types of ratios we have? The first one is compound ratio. Compound ratio is nothing but multiplication of two or more ratios such that we are multiplying all the antecedents and we are multiplying all the consequents. ठीक है? Alright. So if I suppose I have a ratio A by B and I have another ratio C is to D, so their compound ratio will be A. Okay, here it is written wrong. It will be A into C divided by B into D. Alright guys, so here there is a small mistake. Let me correct it. It will be A into C and B into D. Alright, this will be the compound ratio. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Simple. Next is your duplicate ratio. Next is your duplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio means what? If I give you a ratio A is to B and if I tell you give me its duplicate ratio, square both the antecedent and consequent. Square the numerator, square the denominator. Next, if I give you triplicate ratio means cube the numerator and cube the denominator. Then comes subduplicate. In case of subduplicate, square root the numerator and square root the denominator. And if I'll say subtriplicate, cube root of the numerator and cube root of the denominator. These are the simple types of ratios which we have. 5 types. Alright, so first one is compound ratio. In that, if 2 or more ratios are given, we'll multiply all the numerators and all the denominators to get the compound ratio. Then comes your duplicate ratio. We do the square of the numerator and denominator. Then comes your triplicate ratio. We do the cube of numerator and denominator. Subduplicate, we do the square root of the numerator and denominator. And we do the cube root in case of a subtriplicate of both the of the terms of the ratio. Okay. Alright. So these are the different types of ratios. So these terms you need to remember, because a question might come that find out the compound ratio of this, or find out the compound ratio of this, duplicate ratio of this ratio. So you need to remember what are these terms. So very important. Alright, then comes reciprocal ratio. Reciprocal ratio means beta, if I have suppose 2:3, its reciprocal ratio will be 3:2. Reciprocate both the terms. Reciprocate both the terms. Alright, so these are the 6 types of ratios which we need to remember. Now let's solve some question. Theory is very little in this session. Let's start with the question. What this question says, a is to b is equal to 5:3. Find 5a minus 3b upon 5a plus 3b. So guys, if I know that a by b is equal to 5 by 3, I can say, sir, if I have to find out the value of 5a minus 3b upon 5a plus 3b, let's do one thing, guys. There are two ways of solving it. One is, I can take a as 5x, b as 3x, right? And put the value of a as 5x, b as 3x in the ratio and get the final ratio. Alright. The next will be try to create the ratio a by b in this. So what I'll do, I'll divide both the terms by b. So I will be getting 5 times of a by b minus 3b upon b. B will get cancelled, minus 3. Upon here 5 times of a by b plus 3b upon b is only 3. Now a by b is what beta? A by b is 5 by 3. So it will become 5 times of 5 by 3 minus 3 upon 5 times of 5 by 3 plus 3. So what we are getting? 5 into 5 is 25 by 3 minus 3 whole divided by 25 by 3 plus 3. Take LCM, 25 into 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. 25 minus 9 divided by 3 whole divided by 25 plus 9 whole divided by 3. 3 to 3 got cancelled. 25 minus 9 is 16 and 25 plus 9 will be 34. You can cancel. It is 2 8s are and 2 17s are. So final answer will be 8 upon 17. The final answer is going to be 8 by 70. Okay, beta. So this is how this question will be done. I have been given with the value of a by b. I have tried to create a by b and got the final answer as 8 by 70. Another way is a, I can put it as 5x, b, I can put it as 3x. Solve it, you will get your answer. Okay, so 8 by 17 will be your correct answer. Very easy question. Next one. Find the number which bears the same ratio to 7 by 33 that 8 by 21 does to 4 by 9. What it says? There is a number, find the number which bears the same ratio to 7 by 33. That means the ratio of x with 7 by 33 is same. That means it is equal to the ratio of 8 by 21 with 4:9. That is what it is saying. Let's see what is 8 by 21 into 4:9. So I can say, sir, it is over here x divided by 7 by 33 and here we have 8 by 21 whole divided by 4 by 9. Alright. So I can say, sir, it can be written as all the extremes are multiplied and the middles are multiplied. So 8 into 9 divided by 21 into 4. Let's simplify. 4 ones are 4 twos are 3 threes are 3 sevens are. So 2 into 3 it is 6 by 7. So similarly x 33 will go in here. X into 33 by 7 should be equal to 6 by 7. 7 to 7 got cancelled. Shift 33 over there. X is equal to 6 by 33, which is 2. 3 twos are 3 11s are. So 2 by 11. Alright. So what is that value? That value is 2 by 11. So the ratio of 2 by 11 to 7 is to 33 and the ratio of 8 by 21 to 4:9 will be same, which is 6:7. Okay? That is our quantity. Whatever the question has told, we have solved for it. Right? Easy question. So this topic is very easy. Trust me, this topic is very easy. You'll be very comfortable throughout this topic. Now look at this question. This is a good question. Alright, this is a good question. Just try to understand how it is solved. See, they are telling you find x upon y when x square plus 6y square is equal to 5xy. So now from the given equation beta, you can see I have been given x square plus 6y square is equal to 5xy. I need to find out the value of x by y. For that, what I can do is that, sir, let's do one thing. To create x by y, I will do one thing, sir. Here I will divide this by y square, and here also I will divide it by y square. Alright. So upon doing that, what I am getting? I am getting x square by y square plus 6y square upon y square, so which is equal to 6. Here 1y to 1y got cancelled, 5 times of x by y. Right? Now if I replace, now let's say if I replace this x by y with a, then x square by y square will be replaced with a square. So this following equation will become a square plus 6 is equal to 5a. Shift 5a over there, we have got a square minus 5a plus 6 equal to 0. Let's factorize this quadratic equation. So x square minus 2a minus 3a plus 6 equal to 0. So here we have a minus 2 into a minus 3 equal to 0. So from here, guys, we got either a is equal to 2 or a is equal to 3. That means x by y is either equal to 2 or x by y is either equal to 3. Any one of the following will be correct. Either we can say x by y value can be 2 also, or it can be 3 also. Both the values will satisfy this equation. Okay, so there are two solutions. Alright, so although it starts with the concept of ratio, but at the end we are solving it in the form of quadratic equation. So this is called mixing of two concepts. Two concepts are mixed over here. That is why it is a very important question. Alright, these are the hot kind of questions. Okay, so this is a very good question. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this question. Right now, as you can see, guys, that I was telling you in the starting about the structured way of preparing with the proper schedule, strategic preparation, and for that you need guidance. Now that guidance you can get from your parents, you can get from your siblings. The another way for getting that guidance, and that too a very reliable guidance, will be through Vedantu. Now why do I say that it is very reliable? Because no one else will give you the guarantee of your improvement other than Vedantu, that is us. We are giving you beta Vedantu's improvement promise, in which we say guaranteed improvement. Yes, you heard me right. Guaranteed improvement means improvement ki guarantee. We give you the guarantee for your improvement. You will improve. We don't say you can improve. We say you will improve. Definite. That's a promise. And if you do not, if after taking the course you do not improve, your whole course fee will be returned. Yes, take your course fee back if you do not see improvement at the end of the year. Yes, be with us throughout the year. You just need to take our whole course and we give you the guarantee of your improvement. If you have never seen improvement, just join Vedantu and definitely you will see improvement in 1 year. That's our guarantee. And if not, take the whole course UX. So that is what I was saying. That's a very reliable source for your preparation. Now, what are the things or what are the features you are going to get in the live classes? The first thing is unlimited live classes you can attend, and all the classes are going to be filled with fun and high level quizzes. Students from a different part of the world, so you can see where do you actually stand. The third is interactive replay. That means even while watching the recording of a class, you will be able to attend the quizzes. So you will be able to see how much you have learned, or if you are in the mood for revision, with the quiz, even in recording, you will be able to see how much you have understood about the topic. Alright, and you can see your name in the leaderboard even while watching the recording. Then you get notes, tests, assignments. The most important thing is your doubts. We know doubts are the integral part of your class. If in a class there are no doubts, there is only one thing, one possibility, that is no one is understanding anything. Even if you understand everything about a question, still you get a doubt, that what goes beyond that. Every time, whenever you are understanding a concept, a doubt you will definitely get. So for taking care of all those doubts, guys, in all our classes, we have dedicated teachers just to take care of your doubts other than master teachers. So with their help, whenever you get any doubt, just post that doubt to them and they will help you in the real time. So that's like your doubt doesn't have to wait till the end of the class. Whenever you have got doubt, ask it and get rid of that doubt. Right? So this is a very important feature. Next is unlimited micro courses and crash courses. So with the help of these guys, you can understand it in a way like if you want to study a topic or if you want to revise a topic, you don't have to wait till the teacher again finish the revision and start doing it. No, with the help of micro courses, whatever, if a test is coming for an important topic, just take the micro course, finish that and be prepared for it. You want to revise a topic, take the micro course, prepare for that. So micro courses, crash courses will help you to revise a topic or to study a topic as many times as you want, whenever you want. So all these features, guys, you are going to get at a very affordable price. It will also, this course includes all your subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST, English, everything it will include. Alright, so the link is given in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment for the registration to Vedantu Pro Subscription. The coupon code is GPE Pro. This will give you extra 10% and this will be the minimum price in which you can get these courses. Yes, so 10% off you're getting, rather other than any other mode. This is the minimum price you will be getting these courses at. So what you can do, just let me quickly tell you about how you can register for this course. For example, guys, let's say this is the video. Now if you will see in the comment section, pinned comment, there is one link, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. One link is given below, or in the description box you can see over here, register for Vedantu Pro Subscription. Click on this link. Once you have clicked on this link, then you will get over here grade 10th ICSE 2022. Click on edit if you want to change your grade or want to change your board. Then get started. So guys, these are the 3 courses we have, and all the courses have some extra features. That is why the price is changing. Alright, so Lite, Pro Lite is the most basic course and it has all the features which I have given you till now. Yes, all those amazing features are present only in the basic course also. Alright, so that is live classes, test series, assignments, notes, doubt solving in the class, everything. So what does Pro Classic has extra? It has doubt solving on mobile app. So with this you can ask unlimited doubts on the mobile solving app. So even after the class, if you're getting any doubts, pick the post the photo in the doubts app and you'll get the explanation for it. And then Pro Plus has one more additional feature, that is of personal mentor. So personal mentor, you can think of them as your coach, guide, supporter, motivator, teacher. Any doubt, academic, non-academic, any problem you're facing, reach out to them and they will be helping you. So they'll be your guide throughout this journey to make sure that you go on the path of improvement. Alright, so these are the prices for all the 3 courses. Now you can try any course for 1 month if you are still don't know that whether online education is for you or not. Try it for 1 month and we are pretty sure you'll be enjoying it. Then you can buy the complete course. Guys, make sure here GPE Pro is applied. If not, click over here, write GPE Pro and click here on apply. Alright, now when you're buying the complete course, also if suppose you think that this price is too much for me to pay all together, don't worry guys, EMI option is also there. So with the help of EMI, pay every month and all the subjects you can clear. So that is going to be even less than if you are going for the tuitions for any one subject that charges around 2000, and here in this price you are getting all the subjects you are going to get. Any other doubt you have guys, the frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page will be answering that. Alright, so let's move ahead now. Alright, okay, chalo, so this is all. So do register and join the classes. Don't forget to apply GPE Pro. Now next question we have is this: find the ratio compounded of the reciprocal ratio. देखो, ratio compounded of the reciprocal ratio of 15:28. So first, what will be the reciprocal ratio of 15:28, it will be 28:15. Second one, subduplicate ratio of 36:49 will be square root of 36 is to square root of 49, which means 6:7. Third one, triplicate ratio of 5:4 will be 5 cube is to 4 cube, which is 125:4. Now we need to find out the compounded ratio of all these three ratios. So what we'll do, so the final compounded ratio, all right, will be 28 into 6 into 125, multiply all the numerators, divide by multiply all the denominators. All right. Okay. So guys, what I'll do, see here carefully. Let's do the cancellation. I can say it is 4 sevens are 4 16 times. 7 to 7 got cancelled. And then I can say, sir, it is 3 twos are 3 fives are 2 ones are 2 eights are, and 5 ones are 5 25 times. So finally we are getting 25 upon 8. So the final answer is what, guys? 25:8. Whatever the question is telling me, I just did that. So it is very important. If this question you will see, it is very important to remember what is reciprocal ratio, what is subduplicate, what is triplicate, what is compound ratio, right? So 25:8 will be my correct answer. Next question, A is to B. देखो बेटा, अब it is a very important question, very good question. See, we have A is to B as 2:5, and here we have A is to C as 3:4, and the question is asking me what is A is to B is to C. अब I cannot say, sir, A is to B is 2:5 and here C corresponds to 4, so 2:5:4. No, because in the first ratio A has the value 2 and here A has the value 3. So that is why I cannot compare both the ratios. But if A had the same value, suppose if it was, let's say, 1:5 and here if it was 1:4, both the values of A were same, then I can say A is to B is to C will be 1:5:4 because A is having the same ratio. So to create the same ratio for A, we will do one thing. Let's take LCM of 2 and 3. It is 6. Multiply here with 3 to create 6. Multiply here with 2 to create 6. So you will be getting 3 2s are 6 is to 3 5s are 15. And here 2 3s are 6 is to 2 4s are 8. So A is corresponding to 6. B is corresponding to 15, C is corresponding to 8 because now A is same on both sides. So ratio will be 6 is to 15 is to 8. Alright, this is how this question will be done. Okay guys, now let's move ahead now. Next question, x plus 3 is to 4x plus 1 is the duplicate ratio of 3:4. So I can say x plus 3 upon 4x plus 1, it is duplicate ratio of 3:5 is 3:5 whole square. Find the value of x. Let's solve this equation. So x plus 3 upon 4x plus 1 is equal to 3 square is 9 upon 25. Cross multiply, guys. All right. So cross multiply, 9 into 4x is 36x plus 9 is equal to 25x plus 75. Shift x over here, 9 over there. So 36x minus 25x is equal to 75 minus 9. So finally we are getting 36 minus 25, guys, will be equal to 11x, and 75 minus 9 will be equal to 64. So x is equal to 64 by 11. This will be the value. Wait, have I made a mistake? Yeah. Oh. Not 64, it is 66. Sorry. Yes. I subtracted 11 instead of subtracting 9. Alright, okay, it is 66. So x will be equal to 6. Alright, the simple question, है ना? Simple है. Alright, next question देखो. Now is the time for our main important question. अब देखो बेटा, since I have told you how do we reach to the upper level, here what this question is saying, try to understand. We have been given that a minus b upon a plus b is equal to 1 by 11, and they are asking me the value of 5a plus 4b plus 15 is to 5a minus 4b plus 3. So the important thing over here is to get the value of a and b, yes or no? The most important thing, if I get to know the value of a and b, I will put those value in this statement and I will get my answer. So let's try to get the value of a and b. So here, let's simplify this ratio, cross multiply. So 11a minus 11b is equal to a plus b. Shift a over there, minus 11 over there. So 11a minus a is 10a, and minus 11 will become plus 11 plus b is plus 12b. So you will be getting a by b is equal to 12 by 10, which is equal to 6 by 5. So the value of a by b is 6 by 5, and from that I can say let's take a as 6x and b as 5x. Let's take a as 6x and b as 5x. Now let's find out this value which we need to find out, that is 5a plus 4b plus 15. So 5a plus 4b plus 15 divided by 5a minus 4b plus 3. This value we need to find out. Put a as 6x. So 5 into 6x plus 4 into 5x plus 15 divided by 5 into 6x minus 4 into 5x plus 3. So it will be equal to 5 6 are 30x plus 20x plus 15. Here it is 30x minus 20x plus 3. So if you'll see, it is at the numerator, it is 50x plus 15, and here it is 10x plus 3. In the numerator, guys, try to take 5 common. So we are left with 10x plus 3. In the denominator also 10x plus 3, 10x plus 3 got cancelled. Answer is 5. So this is equal to what? 5. Easy question, right? So first I have found out the value of a by b. Now I knew that let's get the values of a and b. So I have taken the value of a as 6x, b as 5x, solved it, got my answer. So guys, this chapter itself is very easy. Alright, so we are done with our first chapter, first session. This I am giving you as your homework question. Alright, in the next class I will be discussing about proportion and properties of proportion. So this is your homework question, guys. Please do not forget to write me the answer for this question in the comment section. And also, if you have enjoyed this video, please like the video as well, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Now let me tell you again about the course which I have told you. So guys, I have told you about the prices. Here remember, in the coupon code GPE Pro you need to apply, and you can choose any of these courses whichever you feel is good for you. And guys, these prices are not actually these prices are shown here more. As you can see in the previous in the site, it is bit comparatively less now. Alright, so unlimited micro courses you're getting. So don't think of it as only for completing your syllabus only once. You can complete your syllabus as many times as you want. Now talking about the Vedantu Pro Subscription. So बच्चा, Vedantu Pro Subscription में you are getting the guaranteed improvement. We are taking the full responsibility of your studies. We say you join the class and join for the Vedantu Pro Subscription, and we give you the guarantee of your improvement. Your marks will definitely improve. That is our guarantee. And if you do not see any improvement, we say we will not ask you any questions. Take your whole course feedback. Just tell us that, sir, there is no improvement in my marks. Give me my feedback. Take your feedback if you don't get any improvement. Only thing we want from you is you register for us with us for the whole year program, long-term program. Alright, buy full course wala part. Next thing, at least 75% of the classes you must attend. So when you're joining, only buying the course is not sufficient. You cannot buy wisdom or intelligence with money, right? So you need to buy the course plus at least 75% of the classes you need to attend. Now 75% is very less. These 25% margin we have kept in case suppose if you have some personal work or you might not attend because of some internet issue, anything. So for that 25% classes, we know something can happen. So 75% of the classes you need to attend and 75% of the test you need to complete. Alright, so this is what is our promise, and this is like one of a kind promise which no one gives. The batches are starting very soon, and please don't wait that when the batches will start, that time I will buy the course. If you will take the whole course, anyhow at the end you can take the whole course, and if you are taking the whole course, you can start with your preparation with the micro courses. There are many amazing courses, guys, so start your preparation as early as possible. Alright, so this is all from my side in today's class. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.